In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a template in Wix. We're going to take this easy step-by-step journey together to make sure you end up with a beautiful and functional website that reflects your style and needs. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to wix.com/website/templates. This is your starting point and where all the magic begins. Once you're on the page, you'll immediately see a wide variety of templates that Wix has to offer. Wix provides a vast array of designs to choose from, covering various categories that will fit almost any purpose you might have. Whether you're looking to create a personal blog, showcase a portfolio, start an online store, or build a professional business site, you're bound to find something that suits your needs. As you scroll through the available templates, take your time to explore and consider what will work best for your project. Each template is designed not just to look good, but also to be functional for its intended purpose. So, feel free to select a template that resonates with your personal style or meets the professional image you're aiming to project. Remember, there's no rush. Choosing the right template is a crucial step as it will set the tone for your entire website. Once you've settled on a template that you feel truly suits your vision, go ahead and click on the Edit button. When you do this, the template will be added to your page where the real fun begins. Don't worry if you're not sure about how everything will look just yet. You'll be able to customize it to your heart's content. From here, you have the freedom to customize everything. This means you can adjust the layout, change colors, update text, add images, and really make it your own. The Wix editor is intuitive and user-friendly, so you'll find it quite straightforward to make your desired changes. You can drag and drop elements, resize text boxes, and fine-tune every little detail until it meets your expectations. Customization is an excellent way to ensure that your website truly reflects what you want to convey, whether it's the essence of professionalism or a unique personal touch. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you've added a template in Wix and customized it to fit your needs. Thanks for watching today's guide, and I hope this has made the process easier and more enjoyable for you. Don't hesitate to revisit and continue refining your website as you go. After all, a website is a dynamic platform that should evolve along with you. Enjoy creating your amazing Wix site and see you next time.